What's up, y'all? It's Vine, aka Maze Out Baby. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how I achieved this really cute 90s inspired hairstyle I saw Tokyo Styles do on Cardi B recently. It's really trendy. The flip hairstyle is really in right now. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look using a glueless wig from HairVivi, then just keep watching. So the wig I'm wearing today is from HairVivi, and it's a ready-to-wear wig, meaning you don't have to do anything to it. You just have to put it on and style it. I love how it has this fake scalp, so it's really easy to style it different ways. It comes with an adjustable elastic band and this really dope metal tail comb. So I was a little skeptical about not wearing a cap underneath this wig, but it really looks good without one. I like to hot comb the edges of the wig to make sure everything is out of the way before I lay the lace down. I'm using my Got to Be holding spray to lay my lace down today. I like to use a razor to cut my lace so that I don't end up with a straight line across my my hairline. It helps make the lace look a little more realistic. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely shook at how good this looked without any type of customizing or anything. Overall, I really just love the construction of this wig. Right now, they have a really dope 1 minute put on and go challenge that you can earn an extra $20 cash back from. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check out the description bar for more information. Also, they have coupon codes, so check out the description bar. So to clean off some of the spray off of my face, I'm using my witch hazel. So when I first saw this hairstyle, I fell in love. Oh my God, I love the 90s vibe that it gives off. It's so trendy right now with everyone doing the flip hairstyle. So yeah, I hope you guys really like it, and I hope you guys try it out. I know Halloween is coming up, so you guys can really, you know, recreate a lot of different looks with this hairstyle. Now, this wig isn't a full lace, so I won't be able to have my part showing, but that's fine because I can definitely finesse it and make it look good. So the first thing I want to do is get the bang out of the way. I'm going to section off a triangle and hot comb the hair in the opposite direction of the ponytails. Now go through and lay the hair and the bang flat with the hot comb. Now do the same with the ponytails. Use some type of hair wax to add shine to the hair, as well as lay down the flyaways, because the hair wax will help you gain more control of the hair and help you sleek the hair down without making the hair white, because you are going to go through with the hot comb repeatedly, and you know you don't want to put that on the holding spray because it'll turn it white. So before I make my final ponytail, I like to put it in a ponytail and go through and get all of the lumps and stuff out, and then I'll make a final ponytail. And even though my bang is covering this side, I still make sure the edges look good, just because I know that I'm going to want to wear this wig later on down the line. Before I do my bang, I lay my sideburns down so that it doesn't come up when I'm styling the bang. Once again, I'm using styling wax to add shine and to help lay the hair down. And once I get my bang nice and neat, I use about 2 or 3 bobby pins to hold it behind the ear. Okay, now I'm laying everything down with holding spray. I waited towards the end to use holding spray or use more holding spray because when you put heat on the holding spray, it turns white. But if you put heat on the wax, it'll just add shine to the hair. To secure the ponytail, take a small piece from the back of the ponytail and then wrap it around the rubber band, and then spray, hold, and spray throughout the wrapping process, and then blow dry. And just go in and add some flips to the end of the hair, and the hairstyle is complete. That's pretty much it. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Give me a thumbs up and comment below and let me know if you like this video. If you want to keep up with me, you can find me on Instagram at @MillionsDollarBaby_X. Yeah, the clips I used in this video are from my website, shopvongardner.com. Check out HairVivi.com to purchase this bomb wig. Yeah, that's it, y'all. I'll catch you in my next video.